Today we announced the next full-frame camera in Nikon's mirrorless lineup. This body leverages the same X-Speed 7 processor that elevated the Z9 and Z8's autofocus, low-light performance, and video features, but in a new sophisticated body design. Introducing the Nikon ZF. With a fusion of technology and design, the Nikon ZF is meant to inspire passionate photographers to express themselves in new ways. Underneath the unique heritage styling that features beautiful brass tactile dials for shutter speed, ISO, and exposure compensation, you'll find some of Nikon's most advanced imaging technologies and performance. At the heart of the ZF is a full-frame 24.5 megapixel backside illuminated CMOS sensor, providing advantages in high ISO, now at 64,000, but also giving photographers the flexibility and freedom to shoot in moonlit situations with AF detection now reaching as low as -10 EV. The classic profile of the ZF lends itself perfectly for handheld shooting thanks to a newly enhanced in-body image stabilization system that achieves an impressive 8 stops of vibration reduction, allowing you to shoot more confidently with slower shutter speeds or while keeping your ISO low for improved image quality. And when you know exactly what you want sharp in the frame, the ZF is the world's first to implement focus point VR, where the camera maximizes image stabilization based on where your focus point is. And for photography purists who love the simplicity and attention to lighting, composition, and patterns that black and white photography gives, the ZF has a dedicated black and white photo position on the shooting mode selector for quick access, in addition to 2 new picture controls. Flat monochrome with smooth tones from shadow to light, and deep tone monochrome that gives higher contrast by bringing more emphasis to dark tones. You can also apply these new picture controls for video at any resolution through the I menu. Just select flat monochrome or deep tone monochrome. The sensor of the ZF provides rich details and high dynamic range, but when you want the camera to go further than 24 megapixels for landscapes or commercial photography, you normally have to get a body with a much higher pixel count. But not with this camera, as new pixel shift technology makes its debut in the ZF. Pixel shift takes a combination of 4, 8, 16, or up to 32 shots in NEF that you can later combine in NX Studio to create a file with up to a 96 megapixel resolution. And in doing so, not only improves details, but even reduces noise, mitigates moire in textures, and improves color. This new technology should be performed with a tripod and a static subject for best results. Autofocus in this camera now benefits from deep learning technology, as the ZF has 3D tracking when shooting in continuous AF, which you can use with its 9 subject detection system inherited from the flagship Z9 for effortless focus. The ZF debuts the first true touch operation in a Z-series camera, allowing you to precisely select your focus point by dragging your finger on the screen while framing your subject in the viewfinder. For unpredictable moments, use the new pre-release capture feature in conjunction with a high-speed frame capture of 30 frames per second, extending your reaction time to start capturing full-resolution JPEGs a full second before the shutter is released. And if all that wasn't enough, the ZF impresses with its video performance. You can choose to shoot 4K UHD, oversampled from 6K in H.265 10-bit, SDR, HLG, or even N-Log tone modes directly to the internal cards without the use of an external recorder. For vlogging, the ZF is compatible with Nikon's MCN10 USB grip and features a fully articulating LCD monitor with a high-density 3.2-inch display. For added support and confident feel, SmallRig has designed a grip accessory to complement the ZF, which features easy access to the battery and memory card door, as well as Arca-Swiss compatibility for common tripod heads. The ZF is also compatible with the AR11 soft shutter release, which screws directly into the shutter release button. You'll be able to choose from either a body-only configuration, a kit featuring the 40mm f2 special edition lens, as well as a 24-70 f4 S-line kit. For more information on this exciting new camera, visit our website.